Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and good weekday to my beautiful, wonderful, amazing people out there. Today we're going to be doing a Indian healing clay mask. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into the video. First, you're gonna need some, of course, Indian healing clay. Then, of course, a nice little bowl to put it in. It don't matter what bowl, you can wash it out. And apple cider vinegar. 2 freaking things. That easy. And if you don't want to use apple cider vinegar, you can use water. You can use, honestly, you can use whatever liquid you want. Now to start. As you see, I don't have a lot left because you know. I'm coming, girl. Always playing in it, so. Alright. Go ahead and I'm gonna wing it a little bit. I don't really measure it. I just sprinkle it on in. Apple cider vinegar. Okay? And you don't need that much. You just need a splash. Look how my ice be moving. Okay, if you watch TikTok. But look, it's bubbling now. Ooh, okay. All right, let's stop there. All right, now I'm done mixing it up. Look at that, beautiful. Easy color. You know how Maybelline go. Easy breezy, beautiful. Oh, that's CoverGirl. Oh well, but all right. So now you're gonna start with the wash face. I forgot to say that you have to have your face washed, because if not, just why are you doing this in the first place? You have to be careful, because I have gotten this in my eye. Okay, you have to. Surprisingly, I've gotten this in my eye. So please, I caution y'all to be careful. So you're gonna go ahead and apply it. Make sure your hands clean too. You're gonna go ahead and apply it on your face. Dang it. I thank the Lord for tweezers, because oh my gosh, if I didn't pluck my eyebrows, who would you be? Who would you be? Sad. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. Knock it back. Alright, now it's all rinsed off. We're gonna go ahead. As you can see, my face is very wet. Alright, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. My face is like, it feels soft like after you take it off, but kind of like left my face a little like my forehead. It's like red. My nose is red. I just look dry. I know, of course, I need to moisturize and stuff, but my whole forehead is red. This never really happened. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna use my niacinamide from The Ordinary. Not sponsored, but it's been doing its thing. Been doing a little something. Beautiful shea butter over here. I don't use too much because my face kind of oily, so I hate when you get like that. But for me, this is a no-no. I think it was the apple cider vinegar, but I still like it a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know I look like a bum off the streets, but please subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And please let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, thank you for watching.